Hello, everyone. Good morning. No, good afternoon. I slept in a little bit. I woke up, started to check weather-wise and see if we got any storms. Lo and behold, we did. Day 6, there is a 15% chance of any severe weather. Stretching from near Sanderson, Texas, to Liberal, Kansas. So this a 50% chance of severe weather includes the western side of Texas and extreme western Oklahoma and extreme south western Kansas. So if you live in the liberal Kansas, you are in that. But I think the main problem will be. I'll go ahead and circle that for you so it's easier to see. Will probably be right in here, the center. But I'm gonna be completely wrong because mind you, this thing is 6 days out. This will change. We could be saying it could be in Oklahoma and then randomly it could change to Arkansas. But the forecasters at the Storm Prediction Center, they are expecting something from, again, that is near Sanderson, Texas, to near Liberal, Kansas. Extreme southern. So, yeah, if you live in Liberal, Kansas, you are in that. And bad news, 7 days out. I'm going to delete that drawing. GG. Hold on. Alright. Well, GG. Navigation. No. I'm sorry. I hit that button. Are we good? I'll figure out how to turn that off in a minute. But the bad news is my cousins are actually in this. They're in Lawton, Oklahoma. They're actually in this a 15% chance of any severe risk. So I they're gonna let them know. But this 7 days out. The reason why I'm talking about this is because we could possibly have a tornado outbreak. It's just. I see it coming. This is 7 days out. They're all like hiding this, so that means something's going to be bad. This storm system could potentially be a moderate or high risk. Yes, we'll get enhanced on day 3. There's no way we don't. We'll get enhanced, but on day 1 and 2, we could possibly have an upgrade to a moderate, possibly a high on day 1. But we don't know. And again, this is a day 7 outlook, so a 15% chance of any severe weather risk from near Del Rio, Texas, to near Great Bend, Kansas. So Kansas, you actually get some action 7 days out, but this is not what you want. And I think we will have a possibly a 5% chance of any severe weather risk on day 8 for Tulsa area. In Oklahoma City, you are in that a 50% chance of any severe weather risk. So all the big cities that are in there. Alright, so Oklahoma City, you're in that. Amarillo, Texas, you're in that. Lubbock, Texas, Abilene, Texas, Midland, Texas, and San Angelo, Texas. You are all in that. Wichita, you are not in that, so that's good. Wichita is highly populated, so is Oklahoma City. If you take a closer dive in, Liberal, Kansas, you're in that. Pampa, Texas, you're in that. Woodland, Woodward, Oklahoma, you're in that. Ended, you're in that. Norman, you're in that. Oklahoma City, you're in that. Lawton, you're in that. Wichita Falls, you're in that. Brownwood, you're in that. And Cinder, you're in that. So we really gotta pay attention for these storms. And these storms are going. And again, day 7, that is on Sunday. On day 6, that is on Saturday. So we'll be live on both of those, but I probably have to go to bed pretty early because of school. But I'll be live on Sunday as long until this ends. If my phone goes dead, I'll just I should have my crew here, so you know who you are on Discord. We need to watch the storm, and we definitely will. In case you're wondering, we definitely will have my watches in this system. There's no way we don't, and we will have tornadoes during the storm. I say that with 100% confidence. There's no way we don't have one. We have to have one. We will see possibly a PDS tornado warning and possibly a tornado emergency. I say that with 45% confidence, but I don't know this. I could be saying it's all 20% confidence, and meanwhile it's 0%. So, but we don't know. And again, this is 6 days out. It will change. Hopefully, it goes back down farther south, which I don't want that to happen. But it's better than it being in Oklahoma City. But there's a possibility that this moves a little bit east as time goes on. We could have it stretch to possibly here, and we don't want that. If that does happen, we are cooked. Because Dallas is in that, Tulsa, Fayetteville, Fort Smith, Waco, Dallas, Fort Worth. So hopefully it stays how it is. Which I mean, I hate to say it, but hopefully it stays how it is because more majorly populated cities could be impacted if the storm moves a little bit eastward. If you're a severe weather fan in Mosul, Texas, you are not in that. I'm sorry to say it, but you're not in that. And again, day 6, that is on Saturday. So this is Saturday's outlook, and day 7. So that's Sunday's outlook. I did post it on YouTube, and I think we will have this is just, again, this is 7 days out. That is far away if you think about it. Very, very, very far, long away. And again, this is the start of spring. So this probably means that this spring will be action-packed for severe weather. And the tropics are already rumbling. I will say it right now. The tropics are already rumbling down there in the eastern side. Not eastern side of the U.S., but eastern side near like Iran, Africa, China, or around that area. But yeah, again, day 6 is outlook. So Oklahoma City, you're not in that day 6 outlook. Same with Lawton or Wichita Falls, but Abilene, Lovelock, and Midland, you're in that. You're in a risk for 2 days. So you could possibly have a tornado emergency, huge tornado near Abilene. Next day happens again. So this is going to be bad, and this will go overnight into different hours, possibly till 4, 3, 5 a.m. possibly, but we don't know. I'll be live as long as possible. And again, I go live when there's at least as long as there is 2 thunderstorm warnings and 1 tornado warning. But if I don't go live, it's because, one, I'm busy, or those storms don't look that appealing. Cause you never know. Cause like if I want to get on, I make sure like the warning stays in effect for 35 minutes or longer for me to get on. But if it's like, but if it's expiring in 4 minutes, I ain't gonna live because it's gonna expire when I actually get there. And I'm gonna talk about. And again, on Discord, you know who you are. We need to pay attention to this. Everyone, keep the word out of the severe weather event. Ryan Hall posted a video, so that's why I did. And again, with this, we will have all hazards: damaging wind gusts, large hail, tornadoes, all the things you can think of. And also, another thing I want to point out, on day 3, we have a marginal risk of severe weather. Not a huge tornado outbreak, but I just want to let you know that, from a moderate risk from near Garden City to McCook, Nebraska. So again, that is near Garden City, Kansas, to near McCook, Nebraska. And again, that's day 3. No tornado with that though. No tornado. Well, we can't see it, but yes, there's no. What's on it. And yeah, we just need to keep our eyes out for this storm for changes. And again, I'll upload a video tomorrow for you as well. Because I'm out of school one more day tomorrow, so I will certainly I'll make another video tomorrow, more in depth. And I can say that with even more confidence because, on tomorrow, the 7-day outlook will change to day 6, and this day 6 outlook will change to day 5. So day 5 we can see what's the overall pattern that's beginning to lock in. It's not fully locked in on day 5, but it's starting to lock in. So yeah, in case you're wondering, this day 7 outlook, if you look at tomorrow's day 7 outlook, it will not show up anything. So make sure you click on day 6 for day 7. So tomorrow, if you're looking at day 7, you're like, oh, well I guess it went away. Nope, it'll be on day 6, and day 6 outlook will be on day 5 tomorrow. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this severe weather event. What am I saying? I hope you enjoy this video. And I hope you can get the word out to many people. As always, I'm Mother Smith, and I gave you the latest on this severe weather event, and I'll see you all next time.